Hello, my name is Lefrancois and I am here at Riggi Media Studios. And today I'm going to be showcasing this beautiful Yamaha Recording Custom Kit and sort of going over some of the gear and recording capabilities that we have at our disposal here at Walter Riggi Studio. So I'm just going to play a few styles for you and sort of give you guys an idea of what this kit can do, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first style I'm just going to do sort of a backbeat rock groove. Here we go. So we get a lot of country artists coming into our studio, so I'm just going to do a little country shuffle for you here. Here's more of a modern pop country feel. Here's a more high energy, like punk rock feel for you. Here's a blues shuffle feel. Here's a 6/8 sort of blues feel. Here's something a little more hard rock. So we're going to take a lighter approach here and try some jazz stuff. Here's a jazz feel with brushes. Next, we're going to do a Bossa Nova Latin feel. Here's something a little more up-tempo in the Latin realm. One of the benefits of working here at Riggi Media Studios is the vast and diverse collection of snare drums. We've got a bunch of different woods, metals, sizes, so a lot of different sounds to choose from here. So I'm going to take us through one by one each snare drum. So the first one we have here is a beautiful Ludwig 60th Anniversary Edition drum. It's a 3-ply mahogany with maple reinforcement rings. So here we go. Our next drum is a 5x14 Ludwig Superphonic. Here we go. Our next drum is a Yamaha Stage Custom Birch snare drum. Our next snare drum is a 6.5x14 Ludwig Superphonic. This is a Yamaha maple snare drum, and it's actually a prototype snare. So, pretty unique look and sound. This snare drum is a beautiful Drum Workshop 40th anniversary snare. It's a 7x14 Tamo ash, which is a rare type of wood. So yeah, let's hear this one. This next drum is a 3.5 by 14 inch Ludwig Black Beauty piccolo snare. The snare drum is a 5 by 14 Ludwig Black Beauty.